PCB's Milling Work Center focuses on parts with very tight tolerances, which can be witnessed in our triaxial and teardrop sensor line.
These machines utilize acute capabilities to hold the very tight tolerance requirements of sensors used in aerospace applications.
5-axis machining utilizes both a stationary and active XY table, bringing tools to parts and parts to tools, cutting at high speed with manufacturing cycle times of approximately 10 minutes or less per piece.
Early adoption of lean manufacturing principles such as SMED, or single-minute exchange of dies, has allowed PCB to maximize part-to-part changeover, increasing efficiencies and utilization of not only our machines, but also of our highly skilled machinists.
A machinist can run multiple machines at once while parts are in process. PCB's continuous investment in machining technology has allowed us to find cutting-edge machinery now capable of performing traditional secondary operations such as lapping and deburring on these machines. Complementary milling is performed at our FMS Machining Center, a unique pallet-based system that delivers fixtures to both operator and machine. This work center utilizes smart programming, capable of having hundreds of work orders in progress at a given time, knowing where available capacity exists for optimal utilization.